In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to blend images in GIMP. We'll walk through the core ideas you need, step by step. So by the end, you'll be able to take two separate pictures and merge them into a single smooth-looking image. I'll explain what I'm doing and why, so you can adapt the same process to your own projects. First, open GIMP and load the images you want to blend. The easiest way is to go to the File menu and choose Open as Layers. Select both images, and GIMP will place each one on its own layer in a single project. This is important because blending always happens between layers, not between separate files. Once your images are loaded as layers, check the Layers panel. If you don't see it, you can turn it on from the Windows menu, under Dockable Dialogues, then Layers. Here you can reorder the images by dragging them up or down. The image on top is the one that will be partially hidden or revealed as we blend. Next, position and size your images so they overlap the way you want. Use the Move tool to drag a layer into place, and the Scale tool to resize it. Take a moment here to line up key parts of the images, like horizons or subjects, because a good alignment makes the final blend look much more natural. Now we'll actually start blending. In the Layers panel, select the top image and add a layer mask. You can do this by right-clicking the layer and choosing Add Layer Mask. For a soft blend, choose a white, full opacity mask. This means everything is visible to start with, and we'll gently erase parts of it using the mask. Select the Brush tool and make sure your foreground color is set to black. Painting black on the mask hides parts of the top image, revealing the layer underneath. Use a large, soft brush to paint along the area where the two images meet. Work slowly and build up the effect. It's better to make several light passes than one harsh stroke. If you hide too much, don't worry. Just switch your brush color to white and paint on the mask again to bring parts of the top image back. This flexibility is one of the big advantages of using masks instead of the eraser tool. To refine the look, you can adjust the opacity of the top layer to soften the overall blend, or use different brush sizes and hardness to control how sharp or smooth the transition is. When you're happy with the result, save your work as a GIMP project file so you can edit it later, and then export a copy as a standard image format, like PNG or JPEG, to share or upload. That's the basic workflow for blending images in GIMP, and you can reuse these same techniques on any pair of photos you want to combine.